Ready to transform your backyard with a sleek and durable Colorbond fence? This quick, professional guide will show you how to install your Colorbond fence the right way, fast, easy, and hassle-free. Here's what you'll need to get started. Colorbond panels, posts and rails, a cordless drill and self-drilling screws, measuring tape and a spirit level, a post hole digger, auger, bag of concrete, safety gear, gloves and safety glasses. Having everything ready saves time and makes the process a breeze.
Thinking about installing your own Colorbond fence? Let us show you exactly what comes in our do-it-yourself Colorbond Fence Gate. In our standard DIY Colorbond Fence Gate, you'll find 3 Colorbond sheets, each 800mm wide, with 2 profile options, the modern new style, or the classic standard profile. 2 durable C-posts designed for stability and easy installation. 2 rails for top and bottom support. A bag of screws to secure your fence panels. Everything you need to install a Colorbond fence. If you're looking for something extra, our Insert Colorbond Fence Kit offers additional features. This kit includes all the components from the standard kit, plus an extra rail to account for a Colorbond fence panel with a topper insert. A stylish insert design of your choice. Choose from louvre, slat, or lattice. The inserts are available in 2 heights, 300mm or 600mm, giving you flexibility to customize your fence to your liking.
Whether you prefer the sleek simplicity of the standard kit or the added flair of the insert kit, we've got you covered. Mix and match components to create the perfect fence for your space.
Ready to get started? Our DIY Colorbond Fence Kits make it easy to build a fence that's strong, stylish, and built to last. Order your kit today and start transforming your space. For more tips and tutorials, visit our website or subscribe to our channel.
Step 1. Set the 2 end fence posts in the ground with concrete and level the posts. Use a string line to ensure it is tight with no obstructions like foliage in the way or to move it. It is a guide for all the other posts, height and alignment. Step 2. Dig holes at least 600mm deep for a sturdy foundation. If the ground is hard or rocky, consider using a petrol-powered OJ for extra efficiency. Step 3. Position your posts in the holes and pour concrete around them. Use a spirit level to keep the posts vertical and aligned in height and face to the string line. Step 4. Attach the bottom rail first. Step 5. Slide the Colorbond panels into the bottom rail one by one. Align each panel snugly and lock it into the grooves of the top rail and C-posts for only one panel at a time. Step 6. Secure the rails and panels with screws for added durability. This step ensures your fence will withstand the elements for years to come. Step 7. Stand back where the fence is seen the most in the yard or from the entrance to the yard, and adjust the top and bottom rails to appear straight and plumb, then screw the corners of each panel on both sides of the fence. Add the finishing touches. Check alignment of all rails and sheeting. Double check if any screws are missing. And that's it, a stylish, durable Colorbond fence installed with ease. For more expert tips and high-quality materials, visit our website or contact instantfencepress.com.au today. Ready to tackle your next project? Like and subscribe for more DIY guides.
Installing a 1.8 meters high Colorbond gate has never been easier. In this guide, we'll walk you through the installation process and show you exactly what's included in our Colorbond Gate DIY kits, designed for durability, style, and convenience. Our Colorbond single gate kit includes everything you need for a 1.8 meters high gate, a gate of pedestrian access. 2 gate end posts or gate styles, each 1.8 meters high. Standard 2-pronged, or for inserts, 3-pronged gate styles. 1 or 2 rails, either 2.36 meters or 3.1 meters long. 1 or 2 Colorbond sheets, 1.8 meters high and 800mm wide, available in new style zigzag, or the standard Colorbond sheet profiles. 2 steel posts, measuring 50mm 2.4 meters, plus 2 post caps. A pair of hinges, and a D-latch lock, a colored bag of screws to secure everything together. And if needed, concrete bags are available as an optional add-on. 1 insert, either louvre, lattice, or slat insert, 250 millimeters high.
Need a little extra help? We can assemble the gate or install it all for you, saving you time and effort. Visit instantfencepress.com.au for an instant supply and installation quote for all fence and gates types.
Installing your Colorbond gate is simple and straightforward. Follow these steps. 1. Lay the gate style and components on the ground. 2. Cut the rails and sheets to length, accounting for gaps, hinge spacing, and post measurements. 3. Attach the rails to the stiles, then slot in the sheet to the rails. Close the frame with the other gate style and screw the corners. For Colorbond gates with inserts, louvre, slat or lattice, we use a 3-pronged gate style. Cut the insert to length and slot the insert at the same time as the sheeting by adding the 3rd rail before closing off with by adding the final gate style. 5. Add the 2 hinges to the gate frame. 6. Set the gate posts securely in the ground 600 millimeters deep with concrete, or bolt to a brick wall, ensuring they are perfectly aligned height and face. 7. Hang the door, screw the hinges to the posts, attach the D-latch or key lock. 8. Touch up any marks with a can of Colorbond Fence spray paint for a professional finish. And that's it. A sturdy, stylish Colorbond gate installed in just a few steps. Whether you choose the single or double gate kit with or without the top inserts, our gate DIY options make it easy to create a secure and elegant entryway to your property for pedestrians or vehicles.
Ready to get started? Order your Colorbond Gate kit today, or let us install it for you. For more expert tips and tutorials, visit our website or subscribe to our channel.